Let us see the next compound, which is called calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. How it is prepared? It is prepared by treating quicklime with water, and this leads to the formation of calcium hydroxide slaked lime. It's a white colored amorphous solid sparingly soluble in water, and what you need to know is that when CO2 is passed through this, its solution, it leads to the formation of calcium carbonate and water. As a result, the solution turns milky, and we also know that if this is passed in excess through the same solution, it leads to the formation of calcium bicarbonate and it becomes soluble. So the milkiness disappears. Also remember, when this is reacted with chlorine, chlorine undergoes disproportionate reaction and lead to the formation of calcium chloride and calcium oxychloride, CaOCl, let it be twice, and H2O. Now the mixture of these three compounds is called bleaching powder. So it is used in the preparation of bleaching powder, it is used in the preparation of glass, it is used in the purification of sugar, it is used in making mortar, which is the main construction material for buildings, and it is also used to use for a whitewashing purpose because of its disinfectant nature. So these are the important uses of this slaked lime.